Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your contact information on the Instagram mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Instagram app and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right. Then you want to scroll down. Underneath where it says your app in media, select app website permissions, and then select browser settings. Underneath autofill, select versus add contact info, and you can go ahead and add or edit that depending on your preference, whatever you want to set in here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.